Loose connections are like a loose belt. Nothing good comes from either. The Molex Loxon locking quick disconnect terminals provide a safe and secure connection with a quick disconnect capability. The high current rating of up to 24 amps per contact makes these terminals great for high power applications. The use of a positive locking mechanism means you know when the device is properly mated and ensures a reliable connection in high shock and vibration environments. They support 10 to 20 AWG wires, providing engineers with a ton of flexibility. And finally, with an operating temperature from -40 to +149 degrees for the terminal and +105 degrees for the housing, the Loxon locking quick disconnect terminals are able to survive everything from the heat of the desert to the frigid poles.